So, how many moles of water are in the human body? Well, in order to figure that out, you have to at least start out with the size of the human body. My body is bigger than most. I'm at 110 kilograms. Now, the average adult male is about 60% water. Now, by the way, the average adult female is about 55% water, and children have more water in their bodies than adults. Babies are almost 80% water, and as you get older, you get drier, which you've probably noticed anyway. Fatter people tend to have lower percentages of water because fat is not as watery as, well, lean flesh, like muscle. So if you got somebody like Dwayne Johnson, he's probably going to be a higher percentage water than a fat person like, name your favorite fat person now. So, and also the difference in body fat levels is one of the reasons why men tend to be a little more water than women. But there we go. So, I'm just going to assume 60%. I'm just going with that, okay? So, multiply by 0.6. That's not a 6. 0.60. There's a decimal there. And what do I get? I get that I have 66 kilograms of water in my body. Now we've got to figure out how many moles of water is 66 kilograms. Well, you take the molar mass of the elements. So we got H2O, H2O. That's 2 hydrogen. Hydrogen has a mass, an atomic mass, which is also the molar mass, of 1. And then you add in the oxygen, which comes in at 16. Now, by the way, I'm not messing around with a lot of decimal points. And the reason why, first off, your body weight changes quite a bit over the day, mainly because of gaining and losing water. Also, I really don't have a very precise number for what percentage of my body is water. In fact, 2 decimal points is probably pushing the precision envelope as far as what we can say precisely and still be accurate. So anyway, we're just going ahead here. So the molar mass of water, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 16 gives us 18. 2 times 1, 2, plus 16 is 18. It's amazing that I'm having trouble with this. All right, so 66 divided by 18, right? Actually, no. Here's the thing. That mass is actually in grams. It's not in kilograms. People tend to measure chemicals in the lab in grams. People tend to measure people at the gym in kilograms. So we need to make sure that our units agree. Go 1, 2, 3 units over. And that's our kilograms. And do the math. By the way, of course, the units, they always cancel out. So you get 66 divided by 0.018. And I actually did the math beforehand. Now I got 3,666.66666. We're going to round that up to 3,700. That is the number of moles of water in my body. You can do the same thing with your body. You need your mass. You need to just kind of think logically about how old are you, what your gender is, and how lean you are. But you can do these same calculations for yourself. Now, by the way, if you wanted to figure out how many molecules of water are in your body, just take this number and multiply it by 6, and then put 23 more zeros at the end. You can do that yourself. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Why didn't that stop?